difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the top 5 hairstyles for fall 2020 and you guys are going to love it. So let's roll with hairstyle number 5. On number 5 we have the E-boy curtains hairstyle, the TikTok boy hairstyle. You know, I'm not a fan of the hairstyle, but I made a hairstyle tutorial and the hairstyle is linked in the description below. I got a lot of views from it, and on Instagram I posted that picture and I got a lot of engagement. I mean, so many people love that hairstyle, so many people are into it, but somehow I'm not kind of a fan of TikTok and TikTok hairstyles and TikTok stuff. I don't like TikTok much, but that hairstyle, many people like it and I gave it a try and I got a lot of engagement on Instagram and a lot of engagement on YouTube on the hairstyle tutorial. So people seem to like that hairstyle, and if you like it, go for it. Some people rock that hairstyle pretty good, and I looked pretty good at it too. I might try it sometime again in the future, but it's not my go-to. This hairstyle is my favorite, the side swept hairstyle. So yeah, if you want to try the hairstyle out, links in the description. Watch it after this video. On number 4 we have a high volume quiff with slightly tapered sides, a bit with a grown out fade. So a high volume quiff with a grown out fade. You don't want to have a completely sharp fade. You like, it should be like a grown out hairstyle. You've gotten a fade a month ago, like get a fade a month ago or so, and then a month later it's gonna be a bit grown out, looking nice, and with a nice modern quiff. As you can see in the picture over here, I already made a tutorial on the hairstyle. Again, the links in the description below. So that's number 4, the grown out modern quiff. On number 3 we have the low volume side swept hairstyle, as you can see, which I got in my winter haircut tutorial. I got a lot of views on that, a lot of likes on Instagram and engagement. That hairstyle is pretty good and it's absolutely killer. By the way, if you haven't followed my Instagram, it's at Maximus_Arana. I'm pretty active on Instagram. You should definitely give me a follow. So that hairstyle is pretty good and it looks pretty good. Yeah, it's really good and I rock it very often. One of my favorite hairstyles. It's one of my go-tos, and when I try it out, links in the description again. Check it out. Next hairstyle is an honorable mention. Now this is for people with shorter hair or curly hair. Yeah, this is not number 2. This is just a honorable mention. So if you're a person who has short hair, you can go with a nice crop hairstyle, or you can, like, if you have medium hair length and you can't seem to get volume and stuff, you can bring your hair down like this. As you can see in this picture here, if you're a guy with curly hair, you can rock nice curls. So yeah, because if you do not have like my hair type, wavy, straightish kind of hair type, I know many people do not have the same hair type. So this honorable mention is for those people. Like, if you have curls, embrace them, rock nice curly hairstyles. If you have extremely like flat hair, you can't seem to get volume, nothing is stuffed, then rock slick backs, bring your hair down. That's it. Like, those are the options you have. Just rock what you have and make the best out of the hair you have. Number 1 and my most favorite is getting highlights and getting your hair colored for fall. I mean, that will look so good. Like, when you get highlights, you have more texture in your hair looks much better, and yeah, it just gives you an entirely new look. But as for highlights, don't go overboard and don't get crazy TikTok. You see the colors on TikTok, right? Purple, blue. Don't get those colors, okay? I'd say light shades of blonde. Platinum blonde looks good too. If you want to go on the less drastic side, then get lightish, you know, highlights, just lightening up your hair color if you have darker hair. Yeah, that's it. Do not go overboard and don't go crazy with your hair colors. Just just go normal like I do. I just got blonde, platinum blonde, natural colors. Don't go overboard getting pink, purple, and rainbow. You must have seen all those weird colors, right? Just don't get those, okay? Just go natural. Yeah, keep it real. And as for your hairstyles, bro, once you get highlights, you can rock any hairstyle super nicely. My favorite when I get hair highlights, side swept, quiff, my go-to. So, yeah. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like down below. Also, I'm gonna try my best to upload 2 videos a day, even though I don't have the internet to do so. I'm gonna try to, upload 2 videos a day. One on hair, fashion, lifestyle, and one on powerlifting and aesthetics at night. Like one hair, fashion, lifestyle video in the morning, and powerlifting aesthetics at night. Also, I'm planning to upload IGTV videos, reels, and stuff. I'm just trying to give my best, even though I'm running short on time, but I'm just gonna give my best. And also, once this video ends, you're gonna see 2 videos at the end screen after the outro. Oh, you have time, right? So just watch them. What else you have to do, right? Okay, so follow my Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video. And the topic of discussion for today's video is, which one of these hairstyles were your favorite? And yeah, let me know. I'm so sorry for the change of location. My front room's a bit occupied, and my room, which I'm currently in, is my bedroom. It's kind of noisy because I live in an area where a market is nearby, and there are always like so many vehicles passing through and they're honking. So yeah, that's a noise disturbance, bro. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
So I leave it all behind. Wanna live a life